This partnership is great for both Tiny Home for Good and Syracuse University. What we do is truly mission-based and community-based, and who better than Syracuse University to come here, get their students involved, and get the future involved.
Tiny Home for Good is an organization here in Syracuse that provides housing for individuals and families facing homelessness. We provide tenants with long-term case management support and do everything to ensure their long-term stability.
The students broke into groups of 3 and they each developed a design to pitch to Tiny Home.
We're working with them to build a pergola or little pavilion outside of their office where client meetings will take place, where case management meetings will take place. They take a very vested interest in if their residents can recover and become the best version of themselves consistently. And so we're happy to help them find an interesting space and build it for them.
The students have the opportunity to design the building, draw the building, but then come out here and actually assemble it. It's one thing to build something at full scale, and it's another thing to build something that has meaning for people.
In the School of Architecture, we do a lot of model making, but a lot of it is down to scale, and we're gluing things together, and so there's not always the opportunity to build something that you can actually stand under. I'm excited to get out there, cutting the wood ourselves, screwing it together, and get really hands-on.
I think it's really cool because anyone who's been a student before has done projects that you just do and then forget about it forever. I mean, these students literally are going to be able to drive down South Ave, point to that pergola and say, yeah, we built this.